You see them down there, so excited. The grapes. The garden, see that beautiful maple tree? So pretty. Garden. Needs some work today. Shaylee's walking with me. Say hi to Gramps.
Hi.
Say hi to Gramps.
Hi, Gramps. Look, Mama, heart-shaped rock.
Yep, there's a heart-shaped rock. Sorry about the dizzy. Okay, here we go. The girls are excited.
Adore baby and dum-dum.
Because your glasses, honey. He's got his winter coat on, his rain boots, and shorts. And sunglasses, of course. And there are the packers. Hi, girls. Good morning. They're excited. There they go. They're running and running. Oh my goodness, so many heart-shaped rocks on our way to the Pecas. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Cool. Hello, girls. Say hi to Gramps. And Zoe. Phoebe has kisses. Oh, what a nice girl.
Mom, why did she
Hi,
do
girls.
that?
Hello.
And why did she do that?
I don't know. Maybe something scared her. Oh, she's excited. And Midori. She doesn't get too excited. At least not too friendly. Whew. It's hard to walk and record. Okay, I'm gonna get in the gate. Hi, girls. Hello, girls. You have kisses for Gramps? Oh, kisses for Gramps. Do you have kisses for Gramps? Kisses. Oh, okay. One moment.